Business laptops must have a great display, powerful processor, professional design, and should be light and portable with great battery life. These are typically designed to travel and be used for longer periods of time. The machine not only covers the basic usage functions and adds the ability for intensive application usage, but also should be budget friendly. Today we are going to unbox one of such laptops from Lenovo, that is Lenovo Thinkpad e14 Gen 2 machine, and it's claimed to be a perfect laptop for business and office purpose. There is a disclaimer, it's not a paid promotional video. I had just ordered for myself and this video is just for educational purpose. So let's crack the windows. Let's open the box and see what's in the box. The packaging is quite nice. Here is 65 watt fast charging power supply with Type-C connector so that a completely drained battery could be fully charged in approx 40 minutes. So let's see what's inside it. So here we have the brand new Lenovo Thinkpad e14 Gen 2 machine, and here we got some paperwork, that's product manual with general specification, service center details and do's and don'ts. Put the box to the side and let's check out the machine. I bought it in India and got this unit in 75,000 INR. So if you want this machine in US or UK, it would cost approx $980. First, take off this plastic cover. So this is the Thinkpad e14 Gen 2 laptop for business and office purpose. Finish is amazing, but there are some light stains visible on the top. Maybe it got stained while packaging. Machine looks good and feels better. It's quite slim, and as far as dimensions is concerned, its height, width and depth is 17.9 mm by 324 mm by 220 mm. That makes it too light to carry. Anodized aluminium on top and bottom covers, and weight is approx 1.6 kgs. Business laptop must not be more than 4.6 pounds. Anything heavier than that could become a burden if you move it around frequently. If we can talk about ports and slots, here we got one USB 3.2 Type A port, one USB-C type port, one USB 2.0 Type A port, one headphone and mic combo jack, one HDMI port and a RJ45 slot. It has a spill-resistant keyboard. Palm rest size is quite big, so you can work long without any trouble. Machine has very nice soft touch on keys, larger edge-to-edge keyboard, keycaps and almost 18% larger touchpad make typing and navigation easier. Camera resolution is 720p HD with thin shutter. It has 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display. Vents on the back side are quite larger, means very robust cooling system. It has two stereo Harman speakers of 2 watts with Dolby audio system. Hinges are quite solid. Due to its anti-glare screen, it's possible to work outdoors. Let's power up the device and switch on the machine. Startup instant, great. It has enhanced display, means it can gain a brighter view with up to 300 nit Full HD display panels. These are the basic configuration options, so let's do it. Machine is running faster than expected. Display is very vibrant. So we can say initially machine is very impressive. One thing that I like best in this laptop is its integrated backlit keyboard. Just press function and spacebar and see the magic in low light conditions. If there is no light, just press these keys again. Quite great. Let's give password. Machine comes with Windows 10 and we may upgrade it to Windows 11. In the next video, we'll upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So still, if you had not subscribed the channel yet, just press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. Visuals in the machine are crystal clear. So let's go to the system and check configuration. Memory is 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz, processor is 11th gen Intel Core i5 and it has 512GB M.2 SSD, so machine is quite faster. Also it has Intel Wi-Fi 6 capability that provides reliable connectivity, fast speeds and next gen security to PCs and wireless networks. Also it comes with Intel Iris graphic cards, so that's the general specification. My view is in given price, machine has very good configuration and nice touch and you will be happy to use it for business purpose. That's all for today. Please subscribe the channel for latest updates on Windows. Goodbye.